Hi everybody, it's Marsha at BTS Radio UK and today we're here to do RM's Forever Rain MV. I don't think I'm ready, but I'm just going to dive in. Let's go. I need to turn the sound down before I shock you all. I've just got a feeling that this is going to be extra on the emotional side for me. Whatever's going on, I'm here for it. It's cute.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서. 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소엔 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 제 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로.
Wow.
Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
This is so deep. Sir. Bitch dropped the vocal. This is so different to what I thought it would be, and I love it.
비가 오면 조금은 나아. 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어. 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려. 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어. And I answer. 난 여전히 삶의 인질. 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지. 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까. 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까. 제발 아무것도 묻지마. 그냥 영원히 내려줘. 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아. 너라도 내게
I'm so silent.
잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어. 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. When it rains it pours. When it rains it pours. It pours. Forever.
Seriously, this is epic. I'm loving the video as well. I'm loving that it's an animation. I'm loving the black and white. This is such a reflective song. I feel like I'm just sat here with my mouth wide open. see what does this, because this thing, billboard thing and all that, isn't it? Like, is this symbolising something? What does this mean? Because there's symbols in everything. Okay. Yeah, no. Hi, Jose! I love you, but no. Right, okay. Don't know what to say about it, except from It was completely different to what I expected. I honestly thought RM was going to hit us with something so hard, where this is the complete opposite. The lyrics in the song, to me, are sort of reflective on. So, like, from a person's perspective, it's reflective on your own life and your own struggles and things. And clearly, he's had a lot of conflicts within himself, and this is him speaking out about it. The video, I'm kind of glad that it was in animation form and not specifically visual of RM himself, because I feel like a lot of the time